Do you own a PFAFF Performance Icon sewing machine? I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we're starting the videos on the PFAFF Creative Icon. Now here's the difference. If you own the PFAFF Performance Icon, you own just the sewing machine version of the PFAFF Icon family. And we are going to be starting with the videos that go into everything your machine will do. I want you to follow along with this machine because you are going to have everything we talk about. You bought this machine probably because embroidery was not something high on your priority list. You wanted the extra space. You wanted the decorative stitches because PFAFF has amazing decorative stitches. You are going to learn all corners of this machine. So for our videos, we're doing about 120 videos. That's on both the sewing and embroidery ones. So you're going to watch the first half of the series that we're doing. I also want to invite you to check out our PFAFF Stitching Cosmos online course. Now, once you learn the basics about your machine, you're going to be like, this is amazing. I want to learn more. And PFAFF has a huge collection of accessory feet, and PFAFF, of course, lots of decorative stitches. So what we made is a course that you can do on your machine. There's no embroidery in any of those blocks. That's all sewing. That course is made for you. So if you want to expand your knowledge on your PFAFF Performance Icon sewing machine, hop over, watch the 10 free videos that we have opened up for previewing for free. Do the stitch book. There's a video called How to Make the Ultimate Stitch Book, and that is going to help you fall in love with this machine even more. And there is so much that you can do. So I hope you'll join us, whether it's for our online course or at least the videos. The only major difference is you have just a few less decorative stitches, but you have all the decorative stitches I'm going to talk about. So please join us. Don't worry that it says Creative Icon. Your Performance Icon can keep up, no problem. So we'll see you as we start to make all these videos on this fabulous machine. We'll put links below this YouTube video so you can check out all the videos that we have done on the sewing portion of the PFAFF Icon sewing machine.